Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush the Discover Boss here with another driving video for you guys. If you're new to the channel, if you've seen that subscribe button in red, please click that button. I know a lot of you guys watch the video and may not subscribe. Subscribing is free, guys. It doesn't take anything, but it will help the channel to reach the goal of 6,000 subscribers by September 1st. So definitely subscribe, guys. Support the channel and join the Raymore Reviews family as well. If you haven't yet liked the video, do pause, do leave a like, leave a comment, and share the video so that someone else can see. We're passing Sabina Park on the left right now. So that's Sabina Park. Alright guys, so this is a drive from South Camp Road. We're heading into New Kingston. So it's South Camp Road to New Kingston. So stay tuned. And again guys, if you think you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well in which you can donate. Donation will go towards better equipment, a drone for the channel as well, so we can see aerial video. So everything makes a difference. So thanks again guys for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, and stay tuned. So we're passing the Stewart's Automotive and Silver Star Motors, home to Suzuki and also Mercedes-Benz. And we're going up South Camp Road. Alright, on the right we have what used to be the mobile reserve. So it's one of the police branches. I think they have boarding space where police can board. But I think right now they are part of the new police team that's called the Enhanced Security Measures. So they have a lot of reserved police over there for quick responses and stuff like that. I think it's home of the SWAT team, because yes, they do have a SWAT team as well, special weapons and tactics. So I think that's where they're based as well. So all of that on the right was a police facility, and then on the right is the lay magistrates complex. It's a detention center. And then now we're approaching the new JDF gate. Did two videos, well, multiple videos on the JDF gate. So this is the stoplight coming up for the JDF gate and Arnold Road. So this is the revamped Camp Road, revamped JDF gate as well. Brand new entrance. I have a video on the channel with a lot more detail view of the gate, so you guys can check that out as well. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go over there and take a quick spin around for you guys, and then we come back on Camp Road and head into New Kingston. Alright guys, an idea that just came to mind is to we'll go through the Heritage Trail. It really explained the reason why they call this the Cannonball Gate. So I'm going to show you guys that real quickly, then we'll go back on the road. That's what Sergeant William James. So I think this soldier sacrificed his life. They were gonna get ambushed, and he sacrificed himself. He saved his major life, which was the commanding officer, and then he was shot in the lungs. Alright guys, we're back on the road. So commercial break is finished. So a lot of person was asking why the gate is called Cannonball Gate. Now we know. So we're now entering Tom Redcam Drive, heading closer to New Kingston. The Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Library on the right. That's what we've seen, the yellow, green, purple. And we just passed the Little Theatre as well on the right. In front of us are the NCB Towers. Those two iconic buildings on Oxford Road. So we have Tower 1, Tower 2. They also have heliports, so that's where Michael Leach in helicopter lands when he comes into Kingston. So that's the NCB Towers. We're now on Oxford Road heading into New Kingston. Oxford Road, home of ATL Motors. On the left, this is the location for Audi, Kia, and VW. The other branch is on Lady Musgrave, which is Mini Cooper and BMW. And then in New Kingston we have the Porsche. So ATL is one of those companies that has most of the major car brands in Jamaica. So this is the VW on the left, and then approaching on the left with the blue fence. I did a full video, so you can check on it. It's gonna be the new home of another company, automotive company. That's gonna be Mazda. So that's where they're coming, right beside ATL to compete. Sorry, not Mazda, but Hyundai, my bad. So it's gonna be the new home for Hyundai. So that facility is currently under construction. I did a walk by a few weeks ago, so that video is on the channel. Oxford Road, new construction. And then in front of us is the Emancipation Center. So it's now closed because of Rona. So we are now on Knutsford Boulevard, just past Pegasus on the right. Let's take a drive around here. So around here is another hotel as well, built about a year or two ago, which is the Courtyard Marriott. It's directly in front of us. It's right beside the NHT head office as well. So that's the Courtyard Marriott right beside Emancipation Park. And then this is the National Housing Trust head office and their multi-level parking facility as well. So that's NHT, the Michael Manley building. And then this is the NHT multi-level car park. And then again on the left, Courtyard Marriott. Alright, so again, Pegasus directly in front of us. And then we're gonna pass the Hilton that was burnt down a few years ago that they're now renovating to reopen. But this in front of us is Pegasus, the tallest building in Jamaica right now, 17 floors, built over 25 years ago. Still the tallest building. Everyone wants a taller building by now. You know, Jamaica needs a much taller building than the Pegasus. So it's full time we have a taller building. But it's one of the more popular hotels in Kingston. And then beside Pegasus we have the Courtly on the right. And then that other tall building now is the Hilton that was burnt down. Liguanea Club on the left right here. So it was burnt down, currently under renovation, currently under construction. It's a total remodeling that they're doing, and expansion as well. So still on Knutsford Boulevard. And all hotels are owned by one person, one group, the Hendrickson family. So Hilton, Courtly, and the Pegasus owned by one owner, the Hendricksons. So we're now on Knutsford Boulevard, intersection of Trinidad Terrace. So a lot of fast food options, banking options, different government agency, different head office for different company. Porsche dealership as well. We just passed that on the left. Alright, so this is a drive, guys, from South Camp Road into New Kingston. We have Starbucks on the right as well, Victoria Mutual, JPS head office. So thanks so much for staying tuned. Thanks for watching the entire video, guys. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts, and definitely like and subscribe to the channel as well.